Best budgeting apps for beginners in 2025. The ultimate guide to managing your money smartly. Are you tired of wondering where your salary disappears every month? Do you feel like you earn, spend, and then wonder, where did my money go? Well, in 2025, budgeting doesn't have to be hard. Thanks to powerful budgeting apps designed for beginners, you can finally take control of your money without spreadsheets or headaches. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 budgeting apps for beginners in 2025, apps that are simple, effective, and built to make money management stress-free. Stay with me till the end. I'll also share a bonus app and secret tips for smart budgeting this year. What makes a great budgeting app in 2025? The best budgeting app must. Heavy Checkmark, be easy for total beginners. Heavy Checkmark, help track spending automatically or manually. Heavy Checkmark, help you save money, not waste it. Heavy Checkmark, remind you about bills, subscriptions, and savings goals. Let's explore the best options available. App number 1, Mint. The trusted favorite. Mint remains one of the most popular free budgeting apps in 2025. Heavy Checkmark connects directly to your bank accounts. Heavy Checkmark tracks your spending automatically. Groceries, rent, fund money, and more. Heavy Checkmark sends budget alerts when you overspend. Heavy Checkmark monitors your credit score for free. Perfect for anyone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it budgeting solution. 100% beginner-friendly. App number 2, Inab. You need a budget. Inab is more than an app. It's a budgeting philosophy. Heavy Checkmark teaches you to assign every dollar a job before you spend it. Heavy Checkmark helps you break free from paycheck-to-paycheck living. Heavy Checkmark offers goal tracking and personalized financial plans. Although Inab charges a small monthly fee, its users save on average $600 or more in the first few months. If you're serious about mastering your money, Inab is worth it. App number 3, Pocket Guard. Your daily spending guide. Pocket Guard keeps things super simple. Heavy Checkmark tells you exactly how much you can spend today, after bills and savings. Heavy Checkmark tracks subscriptions and helps reduce unwanted costs. Heavy Checkmark, great for people who want to avoid overspending but don't want complex budgeting. It's like a financial friend reminding you to stay on track every day. App number 4, Good Budget. The digital envelope system Good Budget is perfect if you prefer old-school budgeting but want the digital version. Heavy Checkmark lets you divide money into virtual envelopes. Rent, groceries, entertainment, and more. Heavy Checkmark encourages manual entry, giving you full control over every dollar. Heavy Checkmark, ideal for couples or partners sharing a budget. If you like controlling your spending decisions, not letting an app do everything, Good Budget is for you. App number 5, Rocket Money. The subscription manager Rocket Money does something special. It helps you stop wasting money on things you forgot you were paying for. Heavy Checkmark scans your accounts to find forgotten subscriptions. Heavy Checkmark allows easy cancellation of unwanted services. Heavy Checkmark tracks bills, budgets, and savings goals in one simple dashboard. This is perfect for beginners who want to reduce hidden spending and save money instantly. Bonus app, Budget. Minimalist budgeting. Want the simplest budgeting app with no bank connection, no setup stress, and no confusion? Budget is it. Heavy Checkmark just lists income and expenses. Fast, simple, clean. Heavy Checkmark, great for people who want a no-fuss way to track money daily. Ideal for absolute beginners or anyone who wants pure simplicity. How to pick the right app for you. Heavy Checkmark, want automatic tracking and full reports? Mint or Rocket Money is best. Heavy Checkmark, want to deeply change your money habits? Go with Inab. Heavy Checkmark, want daily reminders and simple spend limits? Pocket Guard wins. Heavy Checkmark, want full manual control? Choose Good Budget or Budget. Try 2 or 3 and see which fits your lifestyle best. Why you must start budgeting in 2025. Heavy Checkmark, inflation is raising the cost of living fast. Heavy Checkmark, subscriptions, online services, and small expenses can quietly drain your money. Heavy Checkmark, emergencies happen, and savings can save you. Heavy checkmark, building wealth starts with tracking, not guessing. Budgeting apps remove stress and replace it with confidence. Final tips for beginner budgeters. Heavy checkmark, check your app daily. Even 2 minutes a day builds awareness. Heavy checkmark, set real monthly savings or debt payoff goals. Heavy checkmark, use apps that auto-save money for you. Heavy checkmark, cancel services you no longer need. Heavy checkmark, stick with one app. Switching apps too often kills progress. So, which budgeting app will you start with this year? Comment below. I'm starting with app name. If you found this guide helpful, like this video to support the channel. Subscribe now for more simple, powerful money guides that will change how you handle your finances in 2025 and beyond. Remember, budgeting is not a punishment. It's your path to freedom.